Welcome to the Lease-Up process with Buildium, your streamlined guide to boosting occupancy and staying compliant across the US and Canada. Purpose to define a consistent and efficient leasing process that fills units with qualified tenants, meets legal standards, and delivers a smooth experience for all. Scope. This SOP applies to all staff involved in leasing through Buildium, across both the US and Canada. Definitions. Let's define a few key terms. Buildium, our core property management platform. Lead, a potential tenant recorded in Buildium. RTA, the Residential Tenancy Act of Canada. FHA, the U.S. Fair Housing Act. Human Rights Code, legislation ensuring fair housing practices in both regions. Responsibilities. Property managers oversee the process, approve leases, and ensure compliance. Leasing agents handle lead communication, showings, and lease agreements. Administrative staff manage data entry and documentation. Maintenance teams prepare units and update readiness in Buildium. Phase 1, pre-season preparation. We start with property readiness, ensuring all units are clean, repaired, and ready for listing. Staff receive Buildium training. Marketing strategies and pricing are finalized using data insights from Buildium. Phase 2, marketing and lead generation. We create listings in Buildium and syndicate them to platforms like Zillow and Zumper. Outreach continues via websites and social media. All leads are tracked and managed within Buildium. Phase 3, lead management and pre-qualification. Every inquiry is logged as a lead in Buildium. We respond promptly using templates and communication logs. Pre-qualification filters help identify high-quality applicants. Phase 4, showings and feedback. Showings are scheduled using Buildium's calendar tools. Agents conduct the tours and capture feedback directly in the system. After each showing, we promptly send the application link. Phase 5, application processing. Applications are submitted online through Buildium. Fees are collected according to local regulations. Screenings are conducted via Buildium or trusted third-party tools in Canada. We verify documents, review results, and proceed with timely decisions. Phase 6, lease finalization and move-in. Once approved, leases are generated from Buildium templates. Applicants pay deposits and rent through the residence center. Leases are finalized with e-signatures. Move-in includes a walkthrough, key handover, and system onboarding. Contingencies and variations. SOP procedures may vary based on property owner preferences, local regulations, or Buildium feature availability. Always consult legal counsel when regional differences apply. SOP review. This procedure is reviewed annually to reflect updates in technology, policy, and legal standards, ensuring we stay efficient and compliant. Support for assistance. Contact AcreBook or email us at info@acrebook.com.